We have got Mr. Prashant Solomon, MD of the Chintels Group. Chintels Group is one of the fastest growing developers in Delhi and NCR. Why not ask the person best qualified to speak about the group, what the group is all about?
Well, Megha, we got into into the business of land acquisition about close to 20 years ago, and we were into, we had commercial buildings in Delhi and stuff like that, and a lot of our land holdings came into the master plan back in 2007, and that's when we took a call to get into development. So initially, we tied up with a few other people who were experienced, and then we realized that we can also do it on our own. So we decided to do it on our own, and so far so good. We got into residential, we got into commercial. As a matter of fact, in this area, two of our projects are actually the only ones where you have a large number of people living already in sector 109 Gurgaon. While there are other projects that have also been developed, but somehow in our projects, people have actually moved in, and we have a lot of people living there now. So that's a good sign. And I think one of the secrets, if you want to say, is just that we have a different approach towards our business in terms of like the way real estate has been traditionally looked at in the past. We're trying to change that image by being very customer centric and focusing on quality and delivering our projects on time. So I think that has paid off, and I'm happy with the way the business is growing at the moment.
You mentioned about your company being customer centric. You've also taken care of your laborers during the pandemic, and that also ensured that none of your projects really got stalled.
So luckily in our case, when we had a lot of laborers who were there in situ, meaning on site. And when the coronavirus thing happened, if you recall, all work was stopped initially, but then, then they allowed some projects where laborers were already there on site. And luckily, since we had our laborers on site, we were able to start our project. So that's what we did. And it's paid off because our work has really not been ready. It was delayed, yes, it was delayed for a while, but yeah, it compared to other projects, the delay has been much less. Yeah.
And what measures did you put in place to ensure their safety, keeping in mind the pandemic?
So we had doctors on the premises who checked the labor camps. We had COVID testing units, as in testing for temperature and all those things. So we tried to ensure that nobody on site would get COVID, and we were successful to a large degree, yeah.
Courtesy the pandemic, we've now more than ever realized the need of staying closer to the nature and away from pollution, and that is one of the USPs of the Chintels Group as well, particularly with regards to their residential projects. Please tell us more about that.
A lot of our projects are located in sector 109 Gurgaon, 106, 109, 108. And if you come and physically see the location, this is right at the Delhi-Haryana, Delhi-Gurgaon border, very close to the Dwarka Expressway. And as you mentioned, the location is such that we are just about 5 minutes drive from Dwarka, which is a fully populated area of Delhi, and we're very close to the Indira Gandhi Airport. However, since our areas are relatively new, there's still a lot of greenery around. Plus, we're flanked on all sides by Delhi. So, since we are flanked by Delhi, the Delhi part is all green area. So, therefore, even when our projects are complete in terms of the development, since they're right next to the green belt of Delhi, it will always have that green curtain of trees and grass around, So that has been an advantage. And luckily also we are relatively a lot less air pollution than the rest of Delhi. So it's a very good environment.
Your corporate park too stands out because it is conveniently located. Please throw more light upon that.
So the corporate park is in sector 114 in Gurgaon. Again, very close to the Delhi border. And we are actually very close to Dwarka and the airport, as I mentioned earlier. And this building, our building, has the distinction of being the first building that is completed in this sector. So it's already sort of a landmark building in this area. And once the Dwarka Expressway starts, you're going to see a lot of footfall in this area, and we already have the advantage of being the first building in the area. And since it's very close to all these new upcoming residential areas, and it's very close to Dwarka, so it provides best of both worlds. It's, you know, you're away from all the traffic, but yet you're just within like 7 to 8 minutes from Dwarka. So yeah, that's the thing.
How much of a hit the real estate companies in general have taken because of the pandemic? And within the industry, what are the verticals that have been worst affected?
So as far as the industry goes, I think during the pandemic, just like any other business, it's not only real estate, but any other business, because of the lockdown, everything did come to a standstill. So that happened here with real estate as well. But we were lucky that the improvement and the recovery is really happening sooner than we thought, and we're happy about that. This festival season that has just gone by, the Diwali season, October, November, was great. Sales are, I would say, in fact, at least for our projects, our sales are back to even better than pre-COVID levels. So I think that the recovery in real estate is really happening quickly because people suffered a lot during the pandemic. And as you are aware, a lot of people lost jobs, a lot of businesses went down, and a lot of people who were staying in a rented accommodation could not afford the rent anymore. So they actually realized that it's a smarter thing to buy their own property. And even if you're paying EMI, fine, but it's better to have your own property than be on rent. That's what I feel. And I think a lot of people are realizing that. Now, coming back to the different verticals, commercial was affected initially because a lot of companies did slow down, and people, work from home has become part of our culture now. Foreign companies, the way that they're coming into India has slowed down, I feel, temporarily. However, having said that, I feel that 2021 is going to be a much better year. We see the vaccine is just around the corner. So, things are going to improve, and companies are going to come back to India even from abroad, as India is now being seen more as an industrial hub. This whole thing between India and China, I feel India is going to benefit from it. And you're going to see more and more companies that are going to start their manufacturing from India. And because they're coming for manufacturing, they also need offices, which will mean that commercial real estate will also be back in demand, and residential as well. So I think good days are ahead. I think the worst is behind us, if you ask me.
Since you harped on the positives, what are the strategies that the Chintels Group has equipped itself to deal with the uncertainties that have been spelled by the pandemic?
We believe in this thing that ultimately one has to be positive, and the best is yet to come. And as they say, that this too shall pass. So that keeps us grounded, because it makes us realize that everything is transient and there are good times and bad times in every part of life. And I have always believed that you should, expect the best but prepare for the worst. So be positive but also be cautious. That is what I feel, and that is what we have been doing. And I think that is the only way forward. Because being pessimistic and being fearful of the situation is not really going to help in any way. So yes, we have to be cautious, we have to take precautions, but we have to move ahead in a positive way, because that is the only way that things will improve ultimately.
So important to maintain the right outlook and remain positive in the present difficult times. And thanks a lot, Mr. Solomon, for giving us that positive note to conclude this conversation on.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.